with the beans and my rock star skinny. I'ma need some more if I really wanna feel it. Yeah. Spend that money fast if I had to. Make that money back if I had to. The tan with the beans and my rock star skinny. Coordinate the Zen with the lean and my rock star skinny. Coordinate the tan with the beans and my rock star skinny. Highway dipping traffic, 2 gears automatic. Lead a strip club tragic, 2 bras going at it. Me and John going crazy, me and Chase going crazy. Smashing off your old lady, everything going crazy. Tan in the beans and my rock star skinny. Pour a little more if you really wanna feel it. For a little broad and I really wanna hit it. I'ma take her to the barrel. I need the tan with the beans and my rock star skinny. I'ma need some more if I really wanna feel it. Yeah. Spend that money fast if I had to. Make that money back if I had to. The tan with the beans and my rock star skinny. Coordinate the Zen with the lean and my rock star skinny. Coordinate the tan with the beans and my rock star skinny. Ain't nobody out here going hard for you. Out here going hard for you. You been working hard, you going hard for you. Yeah, you been going hard for you. You might fear my ideas when it's time to pop pills and pop seals. When I run the fight drill, you right here. Every time we drop out, we drop chills. Tryna tell you, ain't nobody out here going hard for you. Out here going hard for you. Yeah, you been working hard, you going hard for you. Yeah, you been going hard for you. Coordinate the tan with the beans and my rock star skinny. I'ma need some more if I really wanna feel it. Yeah. Spend that money fast if I had to. Make that money back if I had to. The tan with the beans and my rock star skinny. Yeah.
Could freeze. Hey, first time I called Elliot, Gunna told me to spend $250. Now my chain costs $500,000, and I'm plotting on a silly Billy. Made $25 million, I said Now all of these hoes fucking me better. Shorty say she like me 'cause she sliding through the trenches with me. Give her $1 million worth of game like I'm wallowing Gilly. Weezy wanna Pluto ride it, this shit way too easy. I put your bitch in CC, Celine, Chanel if need be. You niggas really actors, you should've been on TV. You talking like you turned up, you niggas really TD.
It's Young Wonder and Young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. Made it out of the jungle, my ball ain't got no jumper. Rest in peace, my uncle, never met but I still love you. Remember that pussy from way back, playing I pay on the popper. Stayed in the hood with a killer's ass, made my pillow a chopper. This ain't that what you looking at, and we didn't update the roster. You can tell it's a rich nigga posture. Y'all gon' wanna spitting it proper. Trapping at school, I was serving bags, probably was searching my locker. Who did your jury? It look like brass. One of your bro should've stopped you. Bitch, I'm one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like they therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat where it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post and I go ghost, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading and my reasons, I'm booked out the region. This jury call on me, I'm freezing, no way I'm anemic.
Put up to the photo, man, this shit too easy. Y'all gon' chop a brick like judo, snatch a Lamborghini. I got a different bitch for different places, different seasons. Bitch ain't playing the position, cutting her off, this shit too easy. I started off smash R&B stars right at the band. I'm having hoes on the west side, think that I abandoned them. I'm having pippin' in my blood and I can change climate. I threw the money on it to the price up like I designed it. Ain't put a presidential on a bitch, let you get a nigga Minaj. That little IG bitch ain't shit for the in the car. Fuck round to the side piece, pop out that night and double up. Thought y'all get Chinese, but all these sticks in the car.
Bitch, I'm one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like they therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. I stick deep inside her throat where it ain't no more breathing. If I don't post and I go ghost, it's gon' be for a reason. Just got my reading and my reasons, I'm booked out the region. This jury call on me, I'm freezing, no way I'm anemic.
Weezy out of here.
Fuck the club life, I like drug life. I like Tupac with this juice, nigga, this that thug life. Run up on me, yo, ass get slime, nigga, real right. 40 on me, yeah, it's real right. Red beam on that bitch, that shit real right. Slack. 40 on me and it's real right. Red beam on that bitch, that shit real right. Yeah, yo, shorty snorting up the real white. She paid the real price, she paid the real price. Yeah, run up on me, pay the real price. Pay with your life, pay with your life. Yeah, these niggas thought they was gon' snatch my chain. That's a cap, no, it's not a game. These niggas thought they was gon' take my main. You fuck with her, you get shot in the face. Count the cash, count the dollars. I'm in my bag is a chopper. I handle every single problem. Lil Wayne with them goons, nigga, I'm a gobbler.